Hello friends, welcome to Crispa Inside Cave. Let us see what is in today's topic. Today we are going to see about hobbies, how we can spend our time online to practice these hobbies and make use of them. During the pandemic time, most of us are at home and most of us have access to the internet. Let us see how we can make use of this valuable time for enriching our skills and converting our time into knowledge. First, we will see why hobbies. A hobby can keep you in the moment, taking your mind away from stressful thoughts and focusing on an activity you enjoy. While not all hobbies offer the same level of mental or physical engagement, hobbies help you practice mindfulness techniques without even realizing it. It avoids boring days by keeping you busy. Some hobbies can create some additional money for you or even can make a better career for your life. Now we will go through some of the hobbies which I think may be interesting and useful to you. At the end also we will see some glimpses of other hobbies. So first is animation. If you want to learn storytelling or interested in visual art, there are many websites and apps in the internet to develop animations. Most of them have tutorials in the website or in YouTube. You can learn and build animations based on your own story. It will be fun to see your own characters being alive and in action. You can explore further about this in these websites. Moodle, Animaker, Xpli, Pixteller, and these are just examples. There are much more for you to explore if you search in the Google or internet. The next one is about singing. If you like music, singing along, learning song lyrics or karaoke, your number one source is YouTube Karaoke. You have lots of videos at various regional languages with karaoke for the songs, and many of them will have lyrics too. This will improve your singing skills on a regular practice. One day you can become even a professional singer. There are many online channels entertained to upload your own songs. There are apps like Savan, Wink, Ghana, etc., which can be used for recording your songs. The next one is a bit different and interesting: calligraphy. The definition of calligraphy refers to special formal type of handwriting. The formal writing often used on any greeting or invitation cards is an example of calligraphy. Calligraphy, the art of beautiful handwriting. The term may derive from the Greek words for beauty, kalos, and to write, graphene. You can create these lettering using sketch pen, brush or other writing instruments. If you are creating digitally, you can use digital pen which suits this type of writing. It's a good hobby for relaxation or earning some extra money too if you want to do it professionally. It also will be handwriting. Once you learn this, your creativity is endless. You can write quotes, cards, personal letters, invitation, etc., etc. These are few simple form of calligraphy examples. You get much more varieties of calligraphy examples and tutorials for your practice in the internet. If you create these with your hands, you will get much more satisfaction. For example, during a festive season, if you send a greeting in WhatsApp with your own calligraphic words, how fascinating it will be. Please think about it. Next, we will talk about learning a language. Learning a new language can be a very good and interesting hobby. Again, YouTube can help here as it contains lots of videos for every language you want to learn. Find out a language which you are interested in and suitable for you to learn. Start exploring YouTube videos on it and learn it. You need not learn this in a single stretch. You can allocate 30 minutes to an hour per day and gradually learn it over a month or so. next one is a very famous one. Many people follow this, creating your own crafts. If you are interested in making your own craft with your creativity, you can do it, and there are many tutorials available online to start. For example, you can make earrings or knitting or embroidery or decorative items, candles, etc. etc. All this will enhance your creativity. You can even make some cash by selling this online using Amazon or similar companies. Here are few hobbies. I just listed them which we are not discussed in detail. Hope this will be useful. So let us see some do's and don'ts in a hobby. Select a hobby which can help to think creatively rather than doing it mechanically. And select an hobby which you love to do rather than a hobby which will be boring after a couple of days. So if you doesn't like one hobby, please do not select that as an hobby. Create a goal within you when you select a hobby, that you want to achieve something with this hobby. So such a goal can be created within you. Do not select a costly hobby or which hobbies, some hobbies need where we need to spend more money. So don't select such hobbies and stick to your budget. Don't overspend on your hobbies. Do not overdo an hobby consuming your whole time without concentrating on your day-to-day chores. Do not select a hobby which is dangerous or unlawful in your country or region, or don't select a hobby which may create disturbance to your neighbors. Please make sure your hobby is completely different than what you do on daily basis, so that the hobby is always interesting for you. This will also make you forget your daily chores or worries at the time of performing this hobby. Thank you friends for listening to the whole video. Please leave a comment if you think any of these discussions are useful or not very helpful. Also, if you know any hobbies which can make or already made your life interesting, please leave that in the comment section. Thank you. I will see you with another nice video. Thank you all. Have a good day.